Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the position of hydrogen in the periodic table as it is the first element in the periodic table. But its placement in the periodic table, that means its position in the periodic table, has been a subject of discussion in the past. It was a controversy there where to keep the hydrogen in the periodic table because of its resemblance with the first group element. So, can we keep hydrogen in the first group? And it also shows resemblance with the group 17. Therefore, can we keep it is on the 17th group? So, the discussion was made where to keep the hydrogen in the periodic table, that is either with the first group or with the 17th group because of its resemblance with the first group elements and as well as with the 17th group element. So let us see what are the resemblance of hydrogen with the group first, that is a resemblance with alkali metals. When we look at the electronic configuration for hydrogen and the elements of a group first, that is sodium and potassium, we can see that there is a similar pattern of electronic configuration for hydrogen. It is 1s1, here it is 3s1, 4s1. That means only a single electron is there in the outermost shell and that is in the s subshell. So, because of the same pattern of electronic configuration, they shows a resemblance with the alkali metal. And when we look at the electropositive character, hydrogen can form single positive charge. Similarly, sodium and potassium and its other members can also show similar, that is a single positive charge. So, they are showing similarity with a electropositive character also. And when we look at the oxidation state, as we have learnt in the previous chapter, the oxidation state for hydrogen, that is +1. Similarly, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, all this can form a single positive oxidation state. Therefore, they are showing similarity with the oxidation state. So, the controversy here, can we keep the hydrogen with the first group? But it shows resemblance with halogens also. That is, when you look at the electronic configuration for hydrogen, it is 1s1. For fluorine, that is the first member of 17 group, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Here in both the cases, it have one less electron to get stable configuration. It means hydrogen, that is the configuration 1s1. But what is the configuration for helium? That is 1s2. And hydrogen, it is 1s1. So when you look at here, hydrogen, it requires one more electron to get a stable configuration, that is 1s2. So that means hydrogen, it has one less electron to get stable configuration. Similarly, when we talk about halogens, the electronic configuration for fluorine, it is given here 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. That is the outermost electron, 2p5 for fluorine. But it gets stable then when it get a single electron. So when it get a single electron, it get a stable configuration. So in the case of halogens also, it have one less electron to get stable configuration. So the similarity of hydrogen and halogens is both in both the cases a single electron when it get a stable configuration. So we can say that one less electron in these to get a stable configuration. So this is one of the similarity for hydrogen and halogen. And when we talk about the ionization enthalpy of hydrogen is close of the ionization enthalpy of halogen. And the oxidation state for hydrogen in metal hydrides that we have already learnt in the previous chapter. In metal hydride like sodium hydride, hydrogen have minus 1 oxidation state. Similarly, halogens also shows minus 1 oxidation state. So these are the similarities of hydrogen with the halogen and with the alkali metals. So because of this reason, there was a discussion in the past there where to keep hydrogen in the periodic table, that is either in the first group or in the 17th group. So in order to avoid such a controversy, it is better to keep the hydrogen in the center. So in the many books, so you can find out hydrogen, it is placed in the center, not in the first group and not in the 17th group. So but usually it is also found that it is placed on the first group, but actually it is not considered to be the member of first group. So this is about the position of hydrogen in the periodic table, that is the placement in the periodic table has been a subject of discussion in the past that we have discussed here. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.